to Maheshwari chemistry classes. Today our topic is intermediate second year chemistry. Very important VSAQs. Most of the students have doubt about the VSAQs. That is why I am explaining. So no need to worry. First we have to learn these. Many parts are there. Actually 5 to 6 parts are there. So you have to learn properly. And I don't want to waste your time. Listen properly and learn properly. Okay. Please subscribe my channel Maheshwari chemistry class and please give me your support. Listen carefully better. I don't want to waste your time. What are F centers? The metal excess defect. The metal excess defect is due to anion vacancy. Remember this point. Anion vacancy is the main reason, and that anion vacant site occupied by electron are called F center. Okay, so when F centers are increased, color intensity properties and magnetic properties are increases. That's it. Okay, it is a metal defect. For example, in a metal, positive and negatives, you have to imagine. Okay, one of the negative place is empty. That anion vacant place, it is not positive charge. It is a negative charge vacant place. Okay, that is filled with the electron. That is known as F center. When F centers are increased, automatically color and magnetic property increases. Next, one more important question. Arrange the following decreasing order. This is also important bit. Arrange the following in a decreasing order of their basic strength. Here diethyl NH given. Here ethyls all are carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen related compounds. In this aniline, ammonia, and ammonia substituted with the methyl, one of the hydrogen, and here one of the hydrogen in this ammonia NH3 containing one of the hydrogen is substituted with the ethyl group. Here in this ammonia, 2 hydrogens are substituted with the 2 ethyls. Okay, like this C2H5 taken to NH, C2H5NH2, CH3 taken one only here on NH2 and NH3, and C6H5NH2. These are the groups. We have to arrange decreasing order of their basic strength. Basic strength decrease order lo arrange this petal. Okay, no? So see this C2H5 taken to NH. Okay, next C2H5NH2. Okay, next when alkyl groups are increased on NH, on nitrogen, automatically basic strength is more compared to here 2 groups are there like that. That is why more basic strength. Here 1 group only. That is why less basic strength. Here no alkyl group. That is why compared to this ammonia is a less basic strength. And these are the alkyl groups and middle one is ammonia, but here aryl group is there. Okay, so benzyl and NH2 is there, and CH3 NH2. This is the basic strength order. Actually it have values and I can give later. So for your exam purpose this is enough. Next, what is Gattermann-Koch reaction? Most of the students have doubt about the Gattermann reaction and Gattermann-Koch reaction. Okay, Gattermann reaction is a halogen substituent reaction, but Gattermann-Koch reaction is the benzene when treated with the carbon monoxide in presence of H plus acidic medium and anhydrous means waterless AlCl3, it will give the benzaldehyde. Next, what is diazotization? It is also important VSAQ and important bit for MSET also. When aniline is treated with the sodium nitrate and hydrochloric acid in presence of 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, it will give the BDC, nothing but benzene diazonium chloride. Diazo means N2 and chloride Cl minus on benzenic. That is why it is called as benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride formation reaction is known as diazotization, and byproducts are sodium chloride and H2O. Next, give the structures of A, B, C in the following. Okay, so here given a benzene diazonium chloride when it is treated with the copper cyanide and it will give the A, and when it is treated with the water in presence of acidic medium it will give the B, and when it is treated with the ammonia and when we heat it will give the C. What is the product? See this benzene diazonium chloride when react with the copper cyanide it will give the cyanide substituted in the place of N2Cl. Okay, so that is known as phenyl cyanide. Okay, this is the phenyl group and cyanide group. So this phenyl cyanide when it is treated with the water it will give the benzoic acid COOH group. Cn is converting like a COOH group, and when it is treated with the ammonia in presence of heat, here C double bond O, COOH nothing but C double bond OH, right? Okay, so here NH2 and H is there. In this water molecule eliminated, heating reaction, right? So condensation reaction, and it will form the benzamide. Okay, so this is about So this type of conversion also they may ask. And next important question is what are artificial sweetening agent? Give examples. Okay, so this chemistry in everyday life question. So these are the low calorific value sweeteners used as a sugar substituent, especially sugar patients. They will use this kind of artificial sweetening agent in the place of natural sugar. They will use another sweetening agents, that too sugar free substitutes, sugar free sweets. Now we are listening, right? So those are the example: saccharin and aspartame and allitame. Okay, these are the sugar substitute. Simple, in the place of natural sugar they will use artificial, man-made, low calorific value containing sweeteners. Okay, so these are known as artificial sweetening agents. Important VSAQ. Next, one more important VSAQ from the chemistry in everyday life: what are analgesic? And give an example. Simple, you have to remember one word definition, like analgesic nothing but painkiller. Painkillers are two types. Painkiller drugs are called analgesic. Okay, here drug nothing but chemical substance. Remember, it is a chemical terminology. Okay, painkiller is nothing but a analgesic. Okay, analgesic example aspirin. Okay, next, write about analgesic types and with example. Analgesic are two types. Painkillers are two types. Okay, one is narcotic and another one is a non-narcotic. Painkillers, narcotic is the painkiller, but it affects the central nervous system and addiction nature present. Example, morphine. Next, non-narcotic purpose, painkiller, no side effect on central nervous system and no addiction nature. Example is a aspirin and ibuprofen. Okay, next one, what are enantiomers? It is also very very important VSAQ. Simple definition, you have to imagine your palm. Okay, so non-superimposable mirror images of pair of stereoisomers are called enantiomers. Okay, so when you check that your hands, okay, one is placed on another. Okay, these are looking like a mirror images, but when you put on like this, these are not mirror images. Means non-superimposable mirror images of pair stereoisomers. Stereo means when passed on light, sometimes it rotates right side, that is D, and sometimes it rotates left side, that is L. Okay, so but the formula is same: lactic acid and lactic acid, D lactic acid and L lactic acid, and D tartaric acid and L tartaric acid. Like that, DL structures all are the enantiomers. Okay, but non-superimposable mirror images. Remember. Next, one more important question, we may expect this kind of question also. Write about carbylamine test. These are two types: so aliphatic purpose and aromatic purpose. Aliphatic purpose, we have to take alkyl group and NH2, nothing but alkylamine. Okay, so these alkylamine, when treated with the chloroform in presence of alcoholic potassium hydroxide and heat, it will give the alkyl isocyanide. NC is isocyanide, CN is a cyanide, and it will give the potassium chloride and water. Next, aryl amine, nothing but a aniline. Okay, you have to imagine in benzene ring here, on benzene ring NH2 group is present. Okay, so when it is treated with the chloroform and alcoholic potassium hydroxide in presence of heat, it will give the aryl isocyanide and 3 moles of potassium chloride and 3 moles of water. At a time, why I write సారీ, ఈ స్పీడ్లో కొంచెం మిస్టేక్స్ అయితే మీరు ఎక్స్క్యూజ్ చేయండి, టైం అసలే లేదు. సో ప్లీజ్ లిసన్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. ఈ ఆల్కైల్ గ్రూప్ అరైల్ గ్రూప్ ఒకే దగ్గర రాసాను ఇక్కడ. ఆల్కైల్ అండ్ అరైల్ గ్రూప్ ఈస్ దేర్. ఓకే, రిమైనింగ్ ఆల్ ఆర్ సేమ్. Here also isocyanide, here also isocyanide. Here R, here AR. R nothing but alkyl, AR nothing but aryl group. Okay, so it is when it is R, it is aliphatic. When it is AR, it is aromatic. You have to remember like that. Okay, or else simply you have to remember one of the alkyl methyl here, one of the aryl you have to remember, that is the benzene group phenyl. Okay, aniline when treated with the alcoholic potassium hydroxide, alcoholic potash nothing but alcoholic potassium hydroxide. Okay, and chloroform gives ethyl carbylamine. Okay, so here methyl, if you take methyl carbylamine, if you take ethyl, C2H5 will come, ethyl carbylamine with offensive smell. Okay, means ఘాటైన వాసన వస్తుంది అనమాట, మనం భరించలేనంత కాన్సన్ట్రేటెడ్ స్మెల్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా, సో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ కార్బైలమైన్ టెస్ట్. ఓకేనా, అంటే ఇచ్చిన ఆల్కైల్ కాంపౌండ్ కానీ ఎరైల్ కాంపౌండ్ కానీ అందులో NH2 గ్రూప్ ఉందా లేదా అని తెలుసుకోవడానికి చేసే టెస్టే ది कार्बोलाइमाइन टेस्ट. लिजन बेटा, अरबिक बेटा. कार्बोलाइमाइन टेस्ट बोले तो अगर ये कंपाउंड में NH2 है या नहीं, ओके वो रिकग्नाइज करने के लिए ये यूजफुल टेस्ट है, दैट इज़ अ कार्बाइलमाइन टेस्ट. ओके व्हेन इट इज ट्रीटेड विद द क्लोरोफॉर्म CHCl3 एंड पोटैश अल्कोहलिक पोटैश बोले तो अल्कोहलिक पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, अगर ये हीट करे तो क्या हो जाएगा, ऑफेंसिव स्मेल आ जाएगा. मीन्स ज़्यादा स्मेल आ जाएगा, ज़्यादा कॉन्सनट्रेटेड स्मेल आएगा. तो उसके साथ साथ what is that पोटेशियम क्लोराइड एंड वाटर ऑल्सो फॉर्मड. ज़्यादा स्मेल का रीज़न क्या है, द कार्बाइलमाइन इज प्रेजेंट और आयरल अमाइन इज प्रेजेंट. अमाइन ग्रुप प्रेजेंट है तो ऐसा स्मेल आ जाएगा. इस स्मेल के साथ साथ आइसोसाइनाइड भी फॉर्म होगा. ये तो पॉइजनस है. ओके सो दिस इज अ इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. Next question, what are essential and non-essential amino acids? Give an example. Essential, the amino acids that cannot be synthesized by the body must be supplied in the diet are called essential amino acids. Example, valine and leucine. Non-essential amino acid बोले तो amino acids which can synthesize it by the tissues of the body are called non-essential amino acid. Example, glycine and alanine. Okay, मैंने उस दिन बोला था ना बेटा, अगर बॉडी प्रिपेयर करे तो नॉन एसेंशियल अमीनो एसिड, बॉडी नॉट प्रिपेयर करे तो एसेंशियल अमीनो एसिड. एसेंशियल अमीनो एसिड को बाहर से लेना है, कैसे, खाने के साथ साथ, खाने में मिलेगा वो. ओके सो नॉन एसेंशियल वाला बॉडी प्रिपेयर करेगा. एग्जाम्पल ग्लाइसिन एंड अलेनिन. ओके सी दिस ट्रिक बॉक्स, एसेंशियल अमीनो एसिड्स इन बॉडी नॉट सिंथेसाइज्ड through the diet we have to take it. Example, valine and leucine. Non-essential amino acid body is prepared. Okay, that is the glycine and alanine examples for the non-essential amino acids. So next, one more important question from the chemistry in everyday life. What are antiseptic? Give example. They are drugs used to kill or prevent growth of the microorganism. It applies on wound. Okay, example, Dettol, Bithionol, only for external use. Okay, so antiseptic and antibiotic both come same. Okay, here also microorganism prevention or microorganism kill, but antiseptic बोले तो wash करने के लिए, okay, hands wash करने के लिए we are using hand Dettol, right? Like on skin we have to apply, it is not take inside, only external use purpose, external applying antiseptic creams, hand washes, all these are the antiseptics. Okay, example Dettol and iodine solution, like that. Next, what are antibiotic? Give an example. These are the drugs to use to prevent or kill microorganism produced by microorganism. Okay, so antibiotics only. Simply you have to remember beta, biotic especially by bacteria like microorganisms प्रिवेंशन कंट्रोल करने के या किल करने के लिए हम मेडिसिन खाते हैं ना, वो मेडिसिन को क्या बोलते, एंटीबायोटिक बोलते. Okay, so it is taking inside tablet that for example penicillin tablet or penicillin injection and chloramphenicol related chemicals. Okay, so these are not applying on external skin. Okay, it is not only for external use, it is a antibiotic is a intaking tablet. Okay, so but काम तो सेम है, एंटीसेप्टिक का काम एंटीबायोटिक का काम बोथ सेम था, बट एंटीबायोटिक तो खाने का, आई मीन इनसाइड टेकिंग टैबलेट. एंटीसेप्टिक बोले तो हैंड वॉश जैसा, डेटॉल जैसा, रिमेंबर करो. ओके, नेक्स्ट, व्हाट आर एंटीहिस्टामाइन्स? Give an example. These are the drugs that prevent the interaction of histamine with the receptors of the stomach walls, thus producing less amount of acid. Example, Dimetapp. Okay, so these are the chemical substance prevent the interaction of histamine in our stomach. Histamine is present, that interaction may be prevented. Okay, more histamine is also not good for health. Okay, it may prevent, जरा सा कम करते. ओके, सो हिस्टामाइन्स विथ रिसेप्टर्स ऑफ स्टमक में है ना, क्या है, हिस्टामाइन है. ओके, ज़्यादा है तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. ओके, इसलिए कम करते. क्या कम करते, एंटी हिस्टामाइन. वो नाम क्या है केमिकल का, डाइमेटैप. ओके, वंस अगेन लिसन केयरफुली. These are the chemical substances, nothing but drugs, that prevent the interaction of histamine with the receptors of the stomach wall, thus producing less amount of acid. Example, Dimetapp is a antihistamine. Next, What is PDI? PDI full form polydispersity index. Polydispersity index, it is the ratio between the weight average molecular mass MW bar and the number average molecular mass MN bar of polymer is called polydispersity index. Simply you have to remember this formula. PDI equals to MW bar by MN bar. MW bar means weight average molecular mass by and number average molecular mass. Okay, next, what is addition polymer? Give an example. The polymer which is formed by the addition of molecules of monomers containing double bonds is called addition polymer. Example, polyethylene. Ethylene is converted like a polyethylene. Okay, so number of ethylene molecules are joined together, added together and form a big molecule, that is a macromolecule, that is nothing but polyethylene. Okay. Next, in addition polymer there is no loss of molecule, but if you take in a condensation polymerization, okay, in small molecules elimination occur, but in addition polymerization or in addition polymer, no loss of molecules. It is important bit for the MSET also. Okay, next, one more important question. Write the names of structures of the monomers used getting the following polymers: PVC, Teflon, Bakelite and polystyrene. PVC full form polyvinyl chloride. It is a monomer of vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride, a number of vinyl chlorides are involved in the polymerization and forms the polyvinyl chloride. Okay, next, Teflon is a monomer of tetrafluoroethylene. Like this tetrafluoroethylene formula, CF2 double bond CF2. Okay, or directly you have to write C2F4 also. It is involved in the polymerization and forms the CF2 single bond CF2. Remember, but always monomer purpose you have to show the double bond, polymer purpose you have to show the single bond. Okay, it is a trick, and addition polymer purpose like that only happens. Next, Bakelite monomers are phenol C6H5OH and formaldehyde HC double bond O bond H. Okay, HCHO formaldehyde, phenol is a C6H5OH. Okay, so phenol and formaldehydes are the monomers of the Bakelite. Next, polystyrene. These are the monomers of styrene molecules. Styrene nothing but on benzene ring. If the vinyl is present, nothing but CH double bond CH2 is present, it is called styrene. And number of styrene molecules are involved in the polymerization and forms the polystyrene, like this benzene ring CH and single bond CH2. Okay, so this is the polystyrene. This is the PS. This is styrene, like this. Okay, polymers are formed. Next important questions I can explain in next video. So please subscribe my channel Maheshwari Chemistry Classes. Please like this video. Not only for IPE, this is also important for MSET and JEE mains direct bits. So listen properly beta. All the best, and next video I can explain in mostly 20 VSAQs are there. So thank you for your patience. Thank you very much.